Bidding na bukas, April 27, hindi na to aabot ng next week. Kung naghahanap ka ng murang bahay sa General Trias, ito na yung chance mo. Pang foreclosed property, townhouse, inner lot, Barangay Navarro, 40 to 50% below market value. Floor area 60 square meter. Lot area 50 square meter. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath with car garage na. Starting bidding price, 1,642,200. Payment terms, reservation fee 50,000, 10% down payment 164,220. Pwede hulugan up to 4 months, 90% bank home loan. Sample computation loanable amount 1,477,980. If 20 years bank loan, estimated monthly amortization around 11,500 to 13,000 per month lang. Required combined income around 35,000 to 45,000. Important reminders, as is where is. Bank fees and transfer of title not included. Bakit sulit to? 3 bedrooms pang family na agad. May parking na, accessible location sa Gentry. Foreclose equals mas mura kaysa market. Pero tandaan, bidding na bukas, kapag may kasabay ka, pataasan na ng offer at kapag may nauna, mawawala agad to. Free house tour plus full assistance. Message us now bago ka maunahan. April 27 na, decision time na to. Kung gusto mo makakuha ng below market na bahay, act now.